Baby skincare and toxic products? Baby skincare products that contain dyes, fragrances, and chemicals can irritate a baby's skin and breathing. Natural baby skincare products are safe for most infants. But if you have allergies or asthma in your family, your newborn may also be sensitive to botanicals and herbs in some products. Apart from phenoxyethanol, avoid products which has parabens, tropanols, SLES, alcohol, and dyes. A product without EDTA and phthalates makes it safer and more appropriate for your newborn's sensitive skin. Soaps, moisturizers, creams, and shampoos specially created for babies are milder than adult products and do not irritate the skin. For instance, Sebamed Children's Shampoo is clinically proven 100% soap and alkali-free, made with tear-free formula, and super gentle on a baby's skin and hair. Seek and avoid polyethylene, polyethylene glycol, polyoxyethylene, sodium lauryl sulfate, CDRF, olef, oxynol, xynol, PEG, ingredients ending with F. Oxynol and those containing the words laureth, laureate, myrrh, CDRF or olef. Thanks for watching.